Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CompTIA A+. The CompTIA A+ certification is a foundational credential for IT professionals, covering a broad range of hardware and software topics. To succeed, you'll need a clear strategy. We'll cover understanding exam objectives, creating a study schedule, leveraging diverse resources, and practicing effectively. This step-by-step guide will help you prepare confidently for your certification. For your CompTIA A+ preparation, selecting the right resources is crucial. Begin with official CompTIA study guides, which align directly with exam objectives. Supplement these with video courses from reputable instructors, offering visual demonstrations and practical insights. Consider a comprehensive textbook for deeper understanding. Finally, create your own flashcards and notes to reinforce memory, especially for port numbers, cable types, and troubleshooting steps. This multifaceted approach ensures thorough learning. Practical experience is vital for the CompTIA A+ exam. Utilize virtual labs to simulate various IT environments and troubleshoot common issues. If possible, set up a small home lab with old computer parts to physically practice installations and repairs. Spend time with command line interfaces in both Windows and Linux to master essential commands. Consistent practice with full-length exams will not only test your knowledge, but also improve your time management, preparing you for the actual test day. As your exam day approaches, focus on a final review. Revisit any topics where your practice scores were consistently low. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before to maintain peak cognitive function. On exam day, arrive at the testing center about 15 minutes early to settle in. During the exam, read every question thoroughly, paying close attention to keywords, and allocate your time wisely across all 100 questions. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.